children, welcome to our BN CBSE English online class. So do you remember the title of the lesson that we learned in our previous class? Yes, do you remember? Yes, all of you turn to page number 38 in your English book. And what's the title? Hues of the blues. Yes, the colors of the blues. So what does it mean, blues? Yes, that is ocean. Yes, so I told you already. Do you remember? There are some colorful marine animals in the ocean. So in this chapter, we're gonna learn about that marine animals. The marine animals that you don't know. Okay. Yes, we have seen Christmas tree worm. Do you remember? This is what we have seen in our previous class, page number 40. Yes, you have learnt one page from this lesson, right? So today we're gonna see the remaining pages of this lesson. So now turn to page number 41. The title is Floor Hats Jelly. Are you ready for today's class? Those who are not having your book in your hands, go and find a book and come fast to listen to your English class. Now are you ready? Okay, now let's read. Floor Hat Jelly. Yes, have you ever heard of this name? Yes, children, what is this? Can you guess? Yes, so here you can find in this picture, this is the picture of floor hat jelly. Yes, have you seen this before? No, right? I'm also seeing this at first time. Okay, so now let's see what's that. Floor hat jelly is a colorful, rare species of jellyfish. So you know what is jellyfish, right? So it's a rare species of that, a native of the Western Pacific Ocean. So children, what's the meaning of rare? It's not common, uncommon. Okay, so synonyms uncommon, antonyms common. So what's the antonym of rare? Common. So it's not a common species. Yes, you can find only there in the Western Pacific Ocean. Okay, children, what's that? Flower hat jelly. Yes, they look like a hat with flowers on it. Yes, you see the picture? Yes, it looks like the hat and it has flowers on it. Okay, so that's why it's called as flower hat jelly. Okay, children. They have shining multicolored tentacles. So what's the meaning of tentacle now? Tentacles, feelers, antenna. Do you remember the ant lesson? Yes, okay. So the ants, they have antenna, the feelers. So here, this sea animal as well has tentacles. So what's the meaning of tentacles? Feelers. So multicolored feelers, multicolored shining tentacles are there in the body of floor hat jelly. Okay, children. And then floor hat jelly is of different colors: yellow, orange, pink, purple, green, and blue. So what are the different colors of floor hat jelly? Yellow, orange, pink, purple, green, and blue. Right? And they use their tentacles to catch small fish and to make painful sting on enemies. As children, they use their feelers to find their food and to attack their enemies as well. Okay, so what's the meaning of sting? Let's find from this column. To prick or bite with a sharp pointed. So like how will you feel if a mosquito bites you? So that is sting. Yes, mosquito stings me. Okay, children. Often poison bearing organ. So these tentacles are poisoned. Okay, the sting from flower hat jelly is not deadly to humans but very painful. So okay, fortunately it's not deadly to humans, it's not poisoned, I think so, but very painful. If it bites you, yes, it will be very painful. Okay, so now we have seen about flower hat jelly, and now let's move to the next marine animal named sea anemone. What's that? Sea anemone. Okay, so there are more than 1,000 described species of sea anemones that live in the ocean beds. Yes, how many described species are there? More than 1,000. Okay, they are living there in the ocean beds. Okay, children. And look at the picture. So, they are sea anemones. Okay, how they are? It's like a sunflower. It's like a flower, right? Okay. Now, let's continue reading. They spend most of their time on the seafloor because their adhesive legs get attached to it. What's the meaning of adhesive here? Paste or glue. So their legs have some sticky glues, some sticky, yes, paste. Okay, so it gets attached to it. To what? To the sea floor. Okay, so their legs, they have some sticky paste on it. So they are attached to the sea floor. So most of the time they spend on the sea floor. Okay, children. And the color of the sea anemones ranges from pale to bright fluorescence. What's the meaning of fluorescence? Shining, glowing, bright. So pale, it's faded. Okay, so fading. So from faded color to the bright, shining, glowing color. Okay, and sea anemones have a cylindrical shaped body. What kind of body? Cylindrical shaped body. You know how does a cylinder look like, right? Yeah. So cylindrical shaped body and tens to hundreds of poison filled tentacles. You know the meaning of tentacles, right? Feelers. So their feelers are filled with poison. Okay, surrounding their central mouth. So similar to the floor hat jelly, these sea anemones are also having poisoned feelers, but the difference is the tentacles of flower hat jelly is not poisoned. Yes, whereas sea anemones tentacles are poisoned. Okay, they have poison filled tentacles. Okay, so with the help of that they can find their food and inject poison into the body of their predators to paralyze them. So what's the meaning of paralyze? Make them faint, okay, unable to act, become inactive. Make them inactive. Whom? Predators, those who are coming to eat the sea anemone. Okay, they can attack their enemies with the tentacles and they can find their food with the help of their tentacles. They are poisoned. Okay, children. Yes, let's see the next one. What is this? Can you read it? All of you read it. What's this? It's a starfish. Yes, I think you're familiar with this. Right, children? Everybody knows starfish, right? Yes, okay. So, one of the most beautiful and colorful sea creatures found in all the world oceans is the starfish. So, you can find this in all the world oceans. Okay, children? There are 1500 known species of starfish in the world. So, how many known species? Yes, 1500 known species. Okay, then you just imagine how many unknown species there might be. Yes, okay. Starfish have very striking colors in various shades of gray, brown, blue, orange, and red. So, what are the colors? Gray, brown, blue, orange, and red. Okay, children. And then the bright colors of starfish help them to camouflage with the environments. They also use their colors to warn potential predators. Okay, so they make their enemies afraid. Okay, children, they are using their bright colors to make their enemies afraid, to warn their potential predators. Okay, and turn to page number 42, my dear children. I hope you all turn to page number 42 now. Yes, so it's also about the starfish. Starfish are not actually fish. They don't have gills or fins like other fish. They belong to a group of animals without backbones. Okay, children. So, all the other fish, they have backbones. So, it's not a fish. Yes, so it is the category of a group of animals without backbones. Yes, it is in the category of the animals without backbones. Okay, children. It's not the actual fish. Why? Because the starfish, they do not have gills or fins. Okay, and then what we gonna learn? Parrotfish. What's that? Parrotfish. Yes, any idea? You know that what is parrot? You know that what is fish? What is parrotfish? So children, this is parrotfish. Any idea? Have you seen this before? You may see this in Discovery Channel. Okay, so now let's read about parrotfish. The colorful parrotfish are named after their parrot-like beak. Yes, children, they are having beak like parrot. So that's why they are named as parrotfish. Yes, what's the name? Parrotfish. Okay, and there are 90 species of parrotfish that live in shallow oceans around the world. Yeah? How many species? 90 species. At earlier phases, the color of parrotfish varies as brown, gray, or red. Yes, what are the colors? Brown, gray, or red. As they mature, so earlier stage they may have three colors: brown, gray, or red. As they mature, parrotfish change color to vivid green or blue. Yes, in their earlier stage, brown, gray, red. After they mature enough, they can change their color to vivid green or blue. In some species, the color pattern remains the same throughout their lives. So it's according to the life. It's according to their life where they are living. Okay. So according to that, their color may be changed or may not be changed. Okay, children. Yes. And the next one, blue tank. Is it a known animal? It's a known sea creature? No, right? So let's read about it. Blue tank is one of the popular fish of marine aquarium. So you can find this blue tank in marine aquarium. Okay. Blue tank is also known as regal tank, royal blue tank, and hippo tank. What are the different names for blue tank? Regal tank, royal blue tank, and hippo tank. Okay. They have gorgeous blue bodies. So let's have a look at blue tank now. Yes, have you seen? This is blue tank. So it looks really gorgeous. It looks beautiful, right, children? Yeah, so that's why it's written here. These type of fish, they have gorgeous blue body, yellow tail, and beautiful black markings. Yes, here yellow tail, here they have beautiful black markings side by side, right? Okay, children. Ants. Here you can find the meaning of gorgeous, stunning, attractive, and dazzling. Here you can find the antonym of popular, unknown, not popular. So popular, it's known. Yes, known by everybody. But antonyms are known by everybody. Okay, they don't know. Yes, so that's why they are popular, because it's a known fish. Okay, you can find this in marine aquarium. Okay, children. Yes. And the last one, clownfish. What's that? Clownfish. Clownfish are one of the most beautiful and brightly colored fish in the world. One of the most beautiful and brightly colored fish. Who is there? Clownfish, right? They have different body color. What are the colors? Orange, red, yellow, with distinctive white stripes. What's the meaning of distinctive? Typical, unique, a different style. Okay, so it has a different white stripes, a typical, a unique white stripes on its body. Okay, children, so what are the colors? Orange, red, and yellow, right? These clownfish are also known as anemone fish. Why? Because they live freely with poisonous sea anemones. Okay, children. So sea anemones, even though they are poisons, these clownfish, they can live with that sea anemones. That's why these clownfish, they are also called as anemone. They are also known as anemone fish. Okay, children. Now turn to page number 43, all of you. Just have a look at clownfish now. What do you remember after looking at this picture? Yes. Do you remember any movie? Have you seen Nemo movie? Yes. Yes, look at the picture. It looks like the fish you have seen in that movie, right? Yes, children. Okay. Now let's continue reading. Both clownfish and anemone benefit from each other by living together. Yes, they are living together. Yes, so it does not afraid about the poisoned sea anemones. Yes, it's feeling free to live with sea anemones. Okay, children. And clownfish can swim freely between the poisonous tentacles of sea anemones. As I told you earlier, the anemones' tentacles protect them from potential predators. And these anemones' tentacles, they are helping clownfish, yes, to escape from their predators, their enemies. Okay, children. And potential, what's the meaning of that? It's given here probable or possible. Okay. And then at the same time, the fast movement of clownfish helps the animals to find food. Okay, so this is how they are helping each other. Okay, children, so this is how the clownfish and the sea animals, they are helping each other. Okay, children, so now let's see the antonym of fast. Slow. Antonyms of fast is slow. Okay, children, and the last para. Movies, newspaper reports, and research papers of scholars tell us time and again the need to conserve the different species of ocean animals in their natural habitats. Their beauty and their uniqueness blossom only when they live in their own homes. As children, so there are a lot of movies and newspaper reports, and we can see some research papers of scholars as well. They are advising us, so all the things, movies, reports, research paper, so everything advises us to conserve the different species of ocean animals in their natural habitat. They should live there inside the sea, inside ocean, in the ocean. Yes, not out of the ocean. Yes, children, because their beauty and their uniqueness blossom only when they live in their own homes. Yes, so for example, if you are living there with your mom, you feel happy, right? If you're moving to your neighbor's house and you're about to live there, how will you feel? Yes, you feel uneasy, you feel uncomfortable, you want to run away from that house, right? So, the same thing for these sea creatures as well. They should live there in their own homes. Okay, children, not out of the ocean. So, this is what all the movies, newspaper reports, and research papers, they are trying to advise us. Yes, they are telling us. Okay, children, we finish this chapter. Yes, so after listening to the video, once again you read the text. Okay, children, you read it, and after reading, you can write the answers for these questions. How many questions? Let's see. Here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, totally 7 questions. You can write the answers for these questions after reading the text once again. Okay, children. So, after writing the answers for these 7 questions, in page number 44, under vocabulary and pronunciation, you can find different words. So, for example, acid rain, biodiversity, deforestation, desertification, drought, earthquake, endangered species. So these are the words related to the environments. Okay, and here too in the next page also you can find the words and their meanings at the other side of the words. Okay, children, you read it, get the help of your parents, help of your mom, and read it. After reading, you may complete this. Yes, unless you read, you cannot write the answers for these questions followed by the tabular column, my dear children. You should read the tabular column given under the heading vocabulary and pronunciation. Yes, after reading, you complete these questions. Okay, so for example, circle the words with the correct spelling. Tsunami, tsunami, tsunami. So what's the correct This one is the correct. You may circle it. Okay, so this is a very easy questions. You just read the column given here, the table given here, and write the answers 4 and 5. So how many questions? 5 questions up to page number 47. Okay, children. We'll see grammar in our next class. Okay, children. So book back exercises till page number 47 you should complete. Okay. In addition, turn to page number 56. This is your worksheet 2. Yes, you are having 5 questions. Very easy questions. If you read the text, you can write the answers. No need to copy. What do you understand from the video, or else what do you understand from the text? You can put your own words and write here. Yes, you can write the answers using your own words. Okay, children, don't forget that book back exercises and then worksheet 2. These are the homework today. Okay, children. So, okay, it's time to enter our class now. Yes, my dear children. Till we meet in the next class. Bye for now. Take care.